Hello, it's Fast Charlie. I got a package from Thumper. Lockpicking Police Accountability. I'm gonna check it out. I sent him a package a while ago. Not a while ago. Recently, I should say. And some few things, including a challenge lock or two. I know I sent him at least two. I don't know. We'll have to see how that goes. All right. If that didn't go well, we'll start over right here. Got a package from Thumper. It was in here. All right. I don't know what that showed. We'll see. But anyway, I sent a package to him recently, and I know that he's picked up in at least one of the locks, one of the challenge locks that I made and sent to him. It was called 54321 Snitch Drivers, I think. And there was another one. I don't know if he's opened that yet, but it is a really tough one. It's called Cuff 'em. We're gonna see what's in here. Again, this is from Thumper, Lockpicking Police Accountability. And it is a heavy package. Awesome. Looks like one of these little gun trigger lock thingies. Awesome. Awesome. Oh man, that's awesome. That is super cool. Okay, we got, that is very awesome. Abyss Discus. I've never picked one of these. What? Oh yeah, I have never picked one of these. I don't know if this is a disc detainer. I am not sure, but I'll check it out, see what I can come up with. That's a Gigi. Yale style keyway. Awesome. And a metal. Ooh, yes. That is very cool, dude. That's awesome. That is a dimple lock. Sweet. This says no key on it. Another disc lock. Oh, tight fit. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, and it's already picked open, it looks like. It's a Brinks. You know what? I'm gonna see. I'll have to look around. There's a possibility I may have a blank for this. Maybe I can make a key for it sometime. Share that. That's awesome. Hey, look at that. That is pretty awesome keychain. And nice Swiss Army knife. I can put a keychain on there. Very cool. I have to be careful what keys I put this on because I cannot leave it in my pocket for work. Many times I go in government buildings for work. Some really cool homemade pins. Ooh, I like that one a lot. I like that. Look at that one. Oh, it's got that little nub. It's got that little nub on it. It's a little T-pinish type deal. I will definitely be using that. Using all of these. Thank you, man. And what is this? Ran out of keys. Thumper. You know what? I don't know if this is a challenge lock. Oh, fun pick. It says fun pick. It is a Series 5200. I love these things. I love them. Absolutely love them. master lock. You know what? I don't know where my little... I made a little pick for warded locks. I need to find it. And this is a little Avis with a soccer ball on it. And that's pretty cool bidding too, man. Heck yeah. That is awesome. And we've got even more stuff. Holy moly. Hey, a steel pinnings it looks like. And it is called Sticks a Little Noob. It says Noob. 6/8/18. Noob 2. Whoa. Yeah, sticks a little bit going to the right, going clockwise, but should be fun. And a best. Awesome. I'm not very good at picking best locks, that is for sure. And then we've got a Thumper and Weevils wobble, but they might fall down. I will give this a shot. What should I try to pick? I love picking out of the package stuff. This one, you know, I might have to try this dimple lock. You know, maybe I can try that for Stock Lock Sunday soon. You know, thank you so much, man. This is awesome. This is very cool and unexpected. I was pleasantly surprised when I finally got a chance to go to the post office today. It has been busy with Thanksgiving week. And, yeah, you know what? I'm going to give this a shot. I'm going to try to move all of this stuff out of the way. Once again, thank you so much, Thumper. Uh-oh, that might have been really, really loud.